I don't even know what's in there. He's just going to unbox it, huh? I just set it on the couch. What are you doing? She's so funny. She literally was laying there with her head on it until I got my phone. As soon as I got my phone, she started to try to open it. Uh-oh. Tonka says, I'm going to get this one. You guys are hilarious. No growling. No, ma'am. Go, boys. Go, boys. Monroe. Monroe. What you got there? She says, Ma, he opened the last box. So cute. That could take you a while, girl. Nursing on the corner. Oh, what? What? I think it's yours. I think she's opening your new collar. What do you want? What do you want? You want to open that? Go ahead. You can open it. Monroe, no ma'am. No ma'am. Here, Tonka, you want to open it too? Here, both of you can open it. Here, you can help. You can both open it. Good job. Good babies. Help him out, Ro. You can help too. There you go. You both open it together. Here, Mom, hold it still with her foot. Get it. Monroe. Don't look at him like you're going to eat him. Get it, Tonka. Monroe, no ma'am, no growling. Get it, Tonka. Tonka says, no, that girl's crazy. I'm not touching it. Get it, Tonka. There you go. Good job, babies. Oh, go open together. Tonka's like, no, she can open it. It's fine. He says, I had the last box. She can have this one. And Rose says, what did Chewy send us? I think it's Tonka's new gentle leader. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. You gotta learn to share, baby girl. Hi, big guy. Monroe, no. My handsome. Get it, girl. There you go. Get it. Tear it up. Tear it up, big girl. Here you go. Tear it up. Are we watching you? She says, what an audience. Oh, good girl. Get it. Good job. Tear that thing up. Good job. There you go. Oh, she says, I'm getting into it, Mom. Oh, good job, bro. Look at you go. Oh, my goodness. Her says, I got this thing. I'm tearing it up. Oh, what's in there? No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Tonka, you're such a good boy. Get it, Ro. Tear it up. I love how she's using her paws. She's like holding it still. Good job. No, ma'am. There you go. You got it. You got it. You're tearing that one side up, aren't you? Look at, there's a big hole in the box. Oh my goodness. Good job, Ro. There you go, baby. paws. My big guy. Don't my big guy. No, ma'am. Can Mom see what's in there? I'm wondering what's in there. Tonka, come up here. Come here. Good boy. What's in there? I think it's your gentle leader, Tonka. I don't think I ordered anything other than that. Tonka, you're so cute. He's so cute. He's so cute. There you go, girl. Get it. Oh, look at that. She's got that whole side opened up. Oh, let's see. What is that? What is that? Oh, it's Tonka's harness. Look. I got Tonka a new harness. It's the ones that they use at the Villalobos Rescue Center. Oh, Tonka's like, yeah, Mom. That means you gotta take me for a walk. That's so cool. Let's put it on you. Monroe, stop. Let's put it on you and see. Good girl, you did so good. You unboxed that. Good job. You tie that box up some more, girlfriend. And I'm going to put this on you and see how it works. Okay, I found the directions. This is how I'm going to put it on him. Oh, what is that? There's a little opening right here. So it says to position that on the back. So we have this. Okay. Got the stopper there. Properly sided on back straps. Okay. Oh, okay. So it goes around his neck. And then take it around his middle. And I put it up through this little hole. Like so. And there, oh, that's so cool and so easy. I'm going to push this thingamajigger here down. There. That was so simple. Okay. Let's see. This is the hole that I have there. Okay, I'm going to take him outside and see how this works. So far, so good. Wow. Look at that. Oh, there's the pool. No, sir. Come on, let's go back. Rose's gonna get upset. I love this. I'm not a big fan of harnesses because he pulls so bad. So I was thinking that this would probably keep him from pulling, and it actually is working pretty good. So super cool. Good boy. Miss Monroe. Okay, we'll let you out here with us. How's that? Are you peeing on that thing? Uh-oh. Oh, come here. Monroe. Come here. Good girl. Don't pee on her. Okay, I like it. I like it a lot. Pee on everything now.